Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix YouTube not working in Pakistan. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and you need to open a random video. So let me open a random video here. So let me open. But as you can see that I'm seeing this loading problem. So how you can fix that? You simply need to go onto the Chrome Web Store, and from Chrome Web Store you simply need to download any VPN. Search for VPN and you can add from here to your Chrome. So as you can see that I already added an extension, so let me connect with that and let me refresh, and after that you can easily enjoy a video. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can fix YouTube not working in Pakistan. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.